Well, good morning, everyone. It's August 7th. Wow, time is flying by. Where has this summer gone? I'm serious. It seems like my kids just got off school and now they're going back to school. Anyway, it's Wednesday. Tomorrow is a big day for data. We have jobless claims. The estimates are in line with expectations, which is rare, and it also means we're not expecting a lot of volatility. The range is 206,000 to 218,000. Consensus is at 215, right in line with estimates, right in line with the 4-week moving average, which is at 211,000. So if the numbers come somewhere within that range, somewhere in the low 200,000s, I'm not expecting a lot of volatility or a lot of interpretation from the jobless claim. The bottom line is jobless claims look solid. We're at some of the lowest claims we've been in years. So economy is strong in terms of jobs. Now, China. So overnight, yesterday, or the night before yesterday, because China trades at night. So the night before yesterday, China lowered their currency or allowed their currency to become lower. And they were labeled currency manipulator by the U.S. Treasury Department. Since then, they have shored up the yen. And while this can result in sanctions, the bottom line is they look to be less aggressive than they were about 30 hours ago. The market rallied as a result, but now it's down again. As I said, this is not an issue that's going away anytime soon. Expect heightened volatility. Let's look at the E-mini S&Ps. We're going to open in about half an hour. The market's down about 0.89. We've erased about 2/3 of everything we've gained yesterday. Let me show you what I mean. And again, I'm expecting a congestion, kind of like a twilight zone period where there's very little. Let me get rid of this ad here. They love to stick you with these ads, you know? So let me put on a regular chart so you can look at a candlestick, because I know you guys love the candlesticks. All right, that's the candlestick. We're definitely oversold right now. It appears that we're going to be, and this is the overnight session. It appears to me that we're heading down to the base right around the 28.45 level on the overnight market, and we're deeply oversold. Not expecting too much more downside, but we could see some. Let's look at the SPY. Now remember, this hasn't opened yet. This doesn't represent the overnight market. All right. Let me show you. This is 9 months of the SPY. Notice we're getting close to filling in the range. We're still oversold, but it looks like we're heading higher. I wouldn't be surprised if we stuck around between the highs, the 290 level, say, and the 280 level for the next few sessions. Once we start breaking above, notice how we didn't come to the top. Once we start breaking the top that was made on Tuesday, and once we start going above 288, say 50-ish level, 55 level, I believe we're going to start filling this gap. So watch this level carefully. Again, I'm expecting congestion, sideways market. The futures are, let's see where the futures are right now. 28.50. So we're right now 28.50. If the SPY was open right now, let me show you where we would be. Yeah, if the SPY was open right now, we would be right around here. So we're right in the middle of the range. Again, it's very likely we'll be congesting for the next few days and then head higher. I don't believe we're going to go much lower, but I believe we're going to go higher. There's a good chance we'll test the low or stay within this range the next few days. Don't expect major upside yet. There's no catalyst to see upside yet. And there's really no catalyst for downside. The market has priced in the current situation, and I believe till we see job data and we see other promises from China and how Trump responds the next few days, I think that'll begin washing things out. I think it's in the best interest of both countries to begin negotiating, because this is not gonna help anyone. Again, don't expect a lot of upside, don't expect a lot of downside, but expect a lot of volatility. And again, put a buy stop or an alert, not a buy stop, but an alert around the 288.30, 288.50 level. Once we start heading above that level, will start filling in the gap. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care. Reduce your positions. Volatility is high. When volatility is high, it increases your risk. So decrease your positions as volatility increases and increase your position as volatility decreases. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.